Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nirvan Stefanis. I want to read about the text U.S. cities past and present. Okay, uh, let's do it. U.S. cities past and present. Dr. Charles Adrian, a political science professor at the University of California or at Riverside, has made a 20-year study of the problem of American cities. The results are present in a book called History of American City Government. 1. The problem of the nation cities: pollution, crime, riot, a lack of planning, transportation are bad, but they were worse in the so-called good old days. According to Dr. Charles Adrian, he gave pollution from automobiles as one example. He agrees that it might be bad now, but he stated that there was a lot of pollution from horse and other animals in American cities in the 19th century. Number 2. Most cities had their own slaughterhouse where cows and pigs were killed a century ago. They were careless about throwing out the remains of the animal and that sort of thing, he said, and the sewer system for waste disposal was almost non-existent. 3. Some of the problems that bothered people living in the cities during that period and still with use poor planning. Problem in low income, neighborhood, police relation and public transportation. Number 4, pollution was a very important problem for city government in the last century, particularly with regard to with water supplies. Mr. Adrian said they had some idea the water could be polluted, but they didn't know how. Trying to get pure water was a big problem. Number 5. People like to talk about the good old days, but actually the cities of the 19th century were dirty and in many ways filthier than today. Communicable disease was a great concern. There was still smallpox and also yellow fever, malaria, cholera and typhoid. The infant death rate was high, and there were other dangers as well. 6. It is true that the people were not being killed by cars. However, they often were killed or seriously injured by runaway horse. It was good command, Dr. Adrian said. Number 7. Crime was a great concern to then too. According to Dr. Adrian, mugging wasn't a common then, he said, but it did exist. Pickpockets were very killed too. Also, from the 1830 on, there were a lot of summer ghetto riot. That wasn't just something from the 1960s. There were there were several causes, but basically it was because many people moved to the cities from rural areas. Number 8. Planning of cities and their neighborhood was controlled by land speculators and real estate developers who were only interested in making money. Number 9. Finally, Dr. Adrian thinks that the situation and problem facing American cities have not changed so much, and he suggests that we look back at the past and try to learn from it. Okay, thank you for the listen by me. Thank you, guys.